Once you've downloaded your ebook, head to your first chapter so you can see what it looks like in its default settings. Tap once on the screen and you'll see a pop-up menu at the bottom of your screen. Notice the AA symbol? This is where you'll find all the settings to make your ebook dyslexia-friendly. You'll now see a new menu pop up. Tap on the small or large A's you see. This will decrease or increase the font size in your ebook. Make it so it's easy for you to read. This is an example of what a larger font size looks like. The BorrowBox app also has a special dyslexia-friendly font installed. To activate the font, tap the AA icon again and then tap the drop-down menu under Fonts. Select Dyslexic. This is what it looks like with the dyslexic-friendly font activated. You can also change the page color from the same menu. At the top under Theme, you'll see circles of colors. Tap Sepia. This is a great choice for people with dyslexia and can make reading easier. The final thing you can do to make your ebook even easier to read is to adjust the margins on your page. At the bottom of the AA menu, tap Advanced. This will bring up a list of ways to make your page even easier to read. Take particular note of the page margins options. Here you can make your page have thick or thin margins. That's it! Your ebook is now dyslexia friendly. Happy reading!